How to fix Telegram, this channel cannot be displayed. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram, this channel cannot be displayed. First of all, open up the web browser on your phone. Then open up the Telegram in your web browser. After that, tap on Menu from the top left corner. And it will show you the drop-down menu of Telegram account settings. Now from here, click on the Settings option. Then from Settings, go into Privacy and Security. Now, you will find Sensitive Content and from here, disable Filtering options. Ensure that the channel you are trying to access is still active and hasn't been deleted or restricted by Telegram. You may want to try accessing other channels to see if the issue is specific to one channel or affecting multiple channels. Verify if the channel has any restrictions that prevent certain users from accessing it. Channels can have privacy settings that limit access to specific groups or users. Also check out our video on how to fix sensitive content on Telegram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.